Hallo zusammen, wir sind wieder da, mit dem lustigsten Quiz der ganzen Welt. Weißt du, wofür immer fortschrittlichere Technologie genutzt wird? Rate mal. Vergiss nicht zu liken, zu abonnieren und die Benachrichtigungen zu aktivieren.
The app via Bluetooth. When you step on it, the app can show various important indicators of your body. BMI, fat percentage, the app via
Pup. The automatic feeder is a smart way to feed your furry friend. It even comes with an app where you can feed your pup manually or you can pup.
Focus. Relax for downtime. Rest for the evening. Or add a splash of color. It's the trusted Hue Focus.
This is a lightweight and small legs Jimmy projector that auto-adjusts its image so you can use it at any angle. It has built-in Android TV with this is a
Wyświetlane dane będą sprawiały wrażenie, że są 3 metry przed motocyklem, dzięki czemu kierowca może być całkowicie skupiony. Wyświetlane
Będzie taka potrzeba, możesz coś policzyć na kalkulatorze albo chociażby odpalić sobie grę. Tylko zastanów się, czy albo na pewno wygrasz. Będzie taka
This backpack. The backpack gets power from any power banks that you already have. Then there is an app called LED Space, which can be downloaded from both this backpack.
Super clean, minimal design, which I'm a huge fan of, but they also made some improvements. One of those being the power button right here is
Finally, a pet scale that actually works for wiggly kitties. Precision sensors plus one-touch lock, no more blurry readings. Finally.
Gravity mode, it will lift up your head a little bit and your feet as well and puts you in a position that makes you feel like you're floating. Looking to wind down.
Struggle to get a good night's sleep, you need one of these. It's an eye mask which connects wirelessly to your phone so you can listen to white noise or any music.
Display they call the Hue View screen. It boosts contrast and color accuracy so it actually feels like an IMAX experience. This works even out.
Thoughts, your meeting notes, or even your school notes get automatically digitalized on your phone. Look how cool is this? All thoughts, your
Testing new products. After your cat uses this litter box, it automatically cleans itself by filtering out the waste, saving the unused litter. Testing.
This is the Third Reality Smart Soil Moisture Sensor, and it connects to our smart home using Zigbee.